Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I decided to come with a haul video and show you some of the few items that I bought from Pretty Little Thing. Pretty Little Thing is like my favorite online store and I love their outfits so much. I just feel like they put together so many nice outfits for different kind of people. Obviously I am a thick girl and I wouldn't categorize myself under the slim girls because I eat a lot. So I have gained so much weight over quarantine. I'm trying to lose this weight. I don't know what to do. I'm trying to get into the water diet. See, like dieting is not one of my things. I am not good at dieting because I love food. I legit love food. I am a foodle. I'm obsessed with food. I'm obsessed with eating. I love anything good.
So, what are your hobbies?
Food.
Food. But food is not a hobby.
Food is my own hobby.
So how many times do you eat in a day?
Like 13 times.
So if you guys know like any really good fasting, any diet program that you think might be suitable for me, please, I am more than happy for you guys to tell me what your ideas are, if you have tried any of the things, and just let me know down below. Anyways, back to the Pretty Little Thing haul. Some of the things I'm not going to be able to show you because they are underwears, but I'll show you on camera just so you guys can see, and I'll also insert the model on this side so you guys can go ahead and see how it looks on the model. Because baby, if I wear some of these things, I am gonna get myself killed. My mom would be the first to come for me, and then next would be my fellow Gambian people. What is she doing? Why is she wearing lingerie on internet? So I'm just gonna show you guys on the model. Okay guys, so the first item I'm gonna show you is this beautiful jumper. This is a nice pink jumper that has an elastic at the waistline here. It's really pretty. It comes with like a pocket and the zip goes all the way up so you can have it like a turtleneck. I really like this and I really love the color. It also has like a zip on the arm. Also comes with this strap thing as well on the wrist. This is so pretty. I actually paired it with some nice jogger pants as seen here, and I really love it. The color looks amazing on me. It was so nice because outside was chilly. The weather was quite chilly, so I was able to just like, you know, wear it without putting on any jacket, and I absolutely love how it turned out. I also paired it with these earrings as seen on the picture here. I paired it with these earrings. These earrings are also from Pretty Little Thing. I will make sure that I link every single item that I got from them on the description bar so you guys can go ahead and check it out. But these earrings are like really nice because I love hoops, and hoops are like my go-to earrings at all times, and they look amazing with the straight black hair. I decided to pair that pink jumper with this jogger pants here, and this jogger pants is so nice. It's like a raincoat material. I don't know what the material is called, so excuse me, but I really like it. It has like side pockets, and it also has an elastic at the ankle, which I really like because if you wear trainers, it looks really nice. The only thing I don't like about this pants is that it makes so much noise. I wore it, and when I was walking, all you could hear is that's the only thing I didn't like about it, so I ended up taking it off, but I think I'll wear it again, you know. The joggers are so nice. I really like it. I got it in the size 16 because I didn't want to get it in the size 12. Size 14 was sold out, so I was like, you know what, I like my joggers big anyway, so I'm just gonna go ahead and try it in this size. The next item I'm gonna show you is this beautiful bodysuit in mint green. I love this color in mint. It's so nice and stretchy. I like bodysuits. The only thing I really hate about them is the fact that when you wear pants, stretchy pants, the pant line can actually show, as you see on this video on the side here. I got my top in the size 12 because my arms are slightly big, so this one was fine. It's quite stretchy, so you'll be fine actually. I really like this one, and the color really suits me. I decided to pair it with this beautiful wide leg white pants. These wide leg pants are so nice. I love the length of it. It's not super long on me. I am very short, so I always like my pants, you know, not too long, otherwise I start sweeping the floor. So what I tend to do when that happens to me is just take it to a tailor and just have it adjusted. So I took this one in the size 14. I should have known that it was stretch. I didn't even read what type of material it is, otherwise I would have gone for size 12 so that the fitting can be okay as seen, because my waist is a little bit smaller, so I always tend to alter all my pants. I like this. I like this white leg, and I like white anyway, so I like anything with white. You can actually wear this with anything that you want. Then I went ahead and got this beautiful jumpsuit. This jumpsuit right here is so nice. I saw it on the model on the Pretty Little Thing website. I'm like, I need this. This is so me. I need it. And the fact that on the waist it's like a tie string, so you can just pull it and then it snatches your waist. I love that. I love the fact that it's long sleeves and it's in the jumper texture, and it also has this by the ankle. I really like this color. It's like a nice ashy color. I really like this, and I loved how it turned out on me. Then I decided to get this beautiful two-piece set skirt. It's a skirt and a blazer. Here's the blazer. I love this dusty pink color. Everybody knows I like pink, especially if it's dusty. This is what I got. It has like these nice button on the sides here. Absolutely love it. The material is stretchy, so you can go a size smaller if you want to, but I decided to go with size 12 for the blazer, and I think 12 for the skirt as well, because the skirt is stretchy, so it does fit my hips. I love the length of the skirt because I do not wear short stuff. My thighs are so thick, and I kind of feel a little bit embarrassed to wear like super short things. So this length was okay for me because it's stretchy and you can just pull it down. I decided to pair this nice two-piece set with this bralette from Pretty Little Thing. This bralette is also very nice. It looks like the one from Meshki, which is so expensive. So this is a dupe for that, and the price is really good. It comes with this adjustable bra strap, and you can just basically adjust it to the perfect fitting. It's a little bit see-through, so I hope my nipples aren't showing, but if you are going to wear it during the day and you don't want them to show, I think Pretty Little Thing sells those nipple cover that you can just buy and basically attach to your nipple to avoid them from being disguised. So yeah, I really love this two-piece set. You can pair it with whatever you want, a nice beautiful clutch bag and some lace heels maybe as well, or some sock heels. I think would be very nice with this outfit. I also so I decided to go for some nice sexy lingerie. This is so pretty. Look at it. Like, yo, I wish y'all could see this on me. It is so nice. I only tried it on, haven't worn it yet, but this is so nice. It has lace. If you're, you know, having a special date night with your boo thing, I think this set is so pretty. I'll insert the model here so you can see the whole entire set on her. It comes with this really nice skirt. I mean, look at this. It comes with these strings that you can just attach some pair of tights, you know, make it spicier, but the skirts look so good on me. And they also give you like a really nice string. You get a really nice sexy string with it. So this set is so pretty, you guys. Go ahead and check it out if you're having like a special date night coming, you want to surprise your husband. You know, this is something that you can, you know, rock and just put some candlelight on and just have a good night. Okay, so the next one I'm going to show you is this beautiful gown. So this is a either morning or night gown, is entirely up to you. I love the mesh, absolutely love it, and I love anything lace. The reason why I opted for black is because I like black lingerie. I also like white lingerie. White lingerie is actually my favorite. I just wanted to get something black because I haven't had any black lingerie in a really long time. But this is so nice to just, you know, be chilling in at home. I'll insert the model here so you guys can see how it looks on her. It's really, really nice. And it also comes with a belt, this satin belt here. It comes with a nice satin belt that you can just tie on the waist. and also comes with a nice pair of G-strings, and the string also has these beautiful lace pattern on it as well. The next one I'm gonna show you is this nice bralette. This bralette comes with a nice pair of panties, and it's just a nice two-piece set. You can just wear the top with any jean that you want and then wear the pants underneath as your underwear, or you can just, you know, wear it to go to bed. It's entirely up to you, but I really like it. I like the fact that it's a slinky material, fits really nicely as well, and is really comfortable. Last but not the least, I also got this one. This is like my white bralette that I just showed you that I paired with the pink set. This is the black version of it, but this one comes with a pant. The other one did not, but this one comes with this pant, which is a matching underwear that you can wear with this beautiful bralette. I think this is also really nice and sexy. It comes like this. You can just adjust it to fit your size, and I really like the fact that it has this bone wired thing that can hold your boobs as well a little bit up so they're not like falling. So I really like this. This I can also wear with like a nice two-piece set and a blazer on top. I also decided to get some nice jewelry, and this is the gold diamond assorted earrings, and I've got them on today as you can see, and I just love how it looks. Absolutely love it. The next item I'm going to show you is this jumpsuit that I got from Pretty Little Thing as well. Now this one has like a V-neck, and it's a long black plain jumpsuit that's supposed to be fitting in very well. Unfortunately, first of all, I hate this material. It's one of those materials that just picks every single dust up, and it starts to show. You need a lint roller to actually lint off all the white stuff that you have on. When you sit on a fluffy sofa or anything like that, it literally picks everything up, and I hate materials like that. That's number one. Number two, I did not like how it looked at my back, like where the waistline is supposed to be. It's supposed to follow my shape and give me like a nice curve, but it was just going straight. So unless you put a belt on it, it will not actually give you that shape. I did not try it on camera. I'll show you how it looks on the model. It looks so much better on the model. It did not look like that on me. I absolutely hated it. I did not even try it on camera. I'm not going to be wearing it. Unfortunately, I took the tag off, so I can't return it. So that means I'm just gonna have to keep it and maybe sometimes just wear it with a belt. Other than that, I liked every single item that I bought from PLT. Again, PLT is one of my favorite online stores. If you would like to see some more haul videos, please let me know in the description bar down below that you would love to see some more haul videos, and also let me know what's your favorite store. I would like to check them out. I have some other favorite ones as well, so I would love to do a haul on Nasty Gal, because Nasty Gal is like one of the other stores that I always shop from, and I'm always getting like some really cool outfits from there. People keep asking me, where do you buy your stuff? It's like, me, I shop from anywhere that has like nice things. I would literally shop from. So it doesn't really matter like which store it is, as long as it's nice. I don't even care. Like Primark, I love Primark. I'm gonna be doing a Primark haul as well to show you guys how you can look snatch with Primark items. So thank you very much. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you would like to see some more, like I said earlier, please let me know in the description bar down below, and I will see you on my next video. Ciao, bye everybody.